Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start now, disconnect the charger and make sure the battery is above 5% so the system logs real usage. Open your system settings or press Start and search for battery report tools. On Windows, you'll use PowerCug. On Mac OS, you use System Information. Once done, run the diagnostic with administrator rights so the tool can access full hardware counters. This prevents partial readings. This step ensures the data you collect reflects real discharge and charge cycles, not skewed by forced AC power. Now generate the detailed report. On Windows, type PowerCug/battery report and remember the file path it prints. That HTML shows capacity history and cycle count. If you're on Mac OS, open System Information and view power, or run pmset-gbat in terminal to see current health. These show design versus full charge capacity. For Linux, inspect /sys/class/power supply or use upower IBAT0 for cycle count and capacity numbers. Make sure to save or copy the report for comparison over time. Finally, interpret those numbers and act. You want to compare full charge capacity versus the original design capacity. If the capacity is down more than about 20%, the battery has significant wear. Also check the cycle count against the manufacturer's rated cycles to estimate remaining life. If the report is empty or shows errors, make sure diagnostic permissions were granted, update your system firmware, and rerun the report. If problems persist, contact support or consider battery replacement as the last step.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.